Cherniawski, Blanc Chiropractic, here to demonstrate a thoracic adjustment. The thoracic spine is the middle back. I first start by just feeling the back. I'm feeling for tension in the spine. I'm feeling for restriction and movement. In areas that I find that are restricted, muscles that I find are tight and tender, go ahead and breathe in and out. This is Beth, and I can definitely feel a lot of upper back tension with her. She's a desk worker, so that does not surprise me. Dr. Cherniawski, Blanc Chiropractic.